Welcome to the No More Self-Sabotage guided meditation. Find a comfortable position and settle in. Shift into a position that you can maintain for the duration of this guided meditation. Take a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale through your mouth to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And inhale again to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All of your emotions are okay and normal because they are all present for a reason. They are all sending you a message. You have 5 senses, but you also have inner senses, and those are your emotions. Those inner senses guide you and make you capable of taking care of yourself. They are the lights on your dashboard. Take a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale through your mouth to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And inhale again to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you follow the warnings on your dashboard, you will get the most out of your life. It's what helps you operate efficiently and gives you the best opportunity for success. If you tried to treat your vehicle the way you treat your body, it would have needed a full engine overhaul by now. You wouldn't keep driving when the oil light pops on, and neither should you push past the warnings your body is giving you. You are in this position because you have ignored anxiety and frustration in the past. You have allowed your inner senses to become overwhelmed, and self-sabotage has taken control. It isn't enough to see the warning lights on your dashboard. You must respond to them and take steps to rectify the issue. If you feel anxious, it's time to pull over and look around to see if there is something in your life that needs immediate attention. If you feel depressed, it's a call to action, a signal to take steps to protect your mental health. When you feel frustrated, it's a sign that something you are doing is no longer working and you have to try another path. If you feel stressed, it's a signal that you're overdoing it. You are doing too much and you need to take a step back. When you feel lonely, it's a sign that you are longing for a healthy connection. Food won't satisfy those feelings. Repeat after me. Food will not satisfy my feelings. I can only satisfy my feelings by addressing them. Take a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale through your mouth to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And inhale again to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Eating will only add more gas to an already full tank when the problem lies elsewhere. The key is understanding what the indication is trying to tell you. What feelings cause you to eat and self-sabotage your weight loss journey? Take a moment to think about the biggest feeling that causes your self-sabotage. You may eat because you feel hopeless, ineffective, or helpless. Rather than allowing your feelings to push you into self-sabotage, you need to see them for what they are, the warning indicator that can guide you to success. Feeling deserving is a key element of successful weight loss. Self-sabotage is often rooted in not feeling deserving of the positive thing we are chasing, such as weight loss. It is time to let go of not feeling deserving and embrace instead a new attitude, a new mindset. Repeat after me. I deserve to be healthy. I deserve to achieve weight loss success. I deserve to take the weight off and keep it off. I am the only one that can stand in the way of my weight loss success. I am deserving. I will stop getting in my own way. I have the power and control to stop getting in my own way. I deserve to achieve weight loss success. I deserve all the best. I support and love myself fully. I deserve to achieve weight loss success. Take a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale through your mouth to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And inhale again to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You are deserving. You deserve all the best. Take as much time as you need with this thought before you go back to the day. Come back to this meditation regularly to remind yourself of your new mindset.